It is. I suppose I better do a deep dive then, hadn't I? Okay, so the diagram groups together the individual races, or some of the major races in the world. It's not comprehensive, but it will show the concept. What I've done now is add the sizes of the populations in millions of people. What we can now do is use a red pen and a green pen to denote negative and positive opinions of those particular races by some other race. For example, where colorism in the East Asian community considers white people to be more beautiful, that green line can be drawn between East Asian societies and white societies. We can do the same with the red lines, where East Asian societies regard black people with negative opinion. When you fill in the rest of the line, you can see that there's only one group of people which is regarded negatively by every other group of people, and that is unfortunately black people. In total, that's some 5.2 billion people that regard black people in a negative light. And it's not just by white people, of course. White people regard everybody else as inferior in a lot of ways, and as a result, they have propagated quite a lot of this pecking order, if you like, by building that through colonialism. It's important to say that at this stage, these individual lines aren't themselves everybody in the population, so there are percentage differences here. So that's why you can see that the vast majority of the world is indeed, unfortunately, anti-black. Especially when it comes to topics like climate change or sustainability, because they're the people who are going to be hit worst from stuff that they had no involvement in. Most of their impact's actually caused by us. Never mind the history of colonialism and slavery, which drives many of the attitudes today. It absolutely is sickening. It shouldn't exist, but sadly it does. And we need to call it out every single time.